welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. We teach Igbo language. We help beginners learn how to speak Igbo. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to speak Igbo, this channel and this video is for you. In this video, we are going to be learning basic words in Igbo language. Let's dive into it. Ball, the ball you play. Ball is called obole. Ball is called obole. That is ball, obole. Ball is called obole. Milk, milk is called mirara. Milk is called miriara. That is milk, miriara. Milk is called miriara. Milk is called miriara. That is milk, miriara. Orange juice. Orange juice. Orange juice is called miri oroma. Orange juice is called miri oroma. That is orange juice, miri oroma. Orange juice is called miri oroma. Miri oroma. That is orange juice, miri oroma. Cake. Cake is called achicha ụtọ. Cake is called achicha ụtọ. That is cake, achicha ụtọ. Cake is called achicha ụtọ. Cake is called achicha ụtọ. That is cake, achicha ụtọ. Car. Car is called ụgbọala. Car is called ụgbọala. That is car, ụgbọala. Car is called ụgbọala. Car is called ụgbọala. That is car, ụgbọala. That is car. Truck. Truck is called ụgbọ ibu. Truck is called ụgbọ ibu. That is truck, ụgbọ ibu. Truck is called ụgbọ ibu. That is truck, ụgbọ ibu. Ụgbọ ibu. Truck is called ụgbọ ibu. Plane. Plane is called ụgbọelu. Plane is called ụgbọelu. That is plane, ụgbọelu. Plane is called ụgbọelu. Ụgbọelu. That is plane, ụgbọelu. Boat is called ụgbọ mmiri. Boat is called ụgbọ mmiri. That is boat, ụgbọ mmiri. Boat is called ụgbọ mmiri. Boat is called ụgbọ mmiri. Train is called ụgbọ oloko. Train is called ụgbọ oloko. Train is called ụgbọ oloko. That is train, ụgbọ oloko. Train is called ụgbọ oloko. That is train, ụgbọ oloko. Bike. Bike is called ịnyịnya igwe. Bike is called ịnyịnya igwe. That is bike, ịnyịnya igwe. Bike is called ịnyịnya igwe. That is bike, ịnyịnya igwe. Ịnyịnya igwe, bike, is called ịnyịnya igwe. Bed. Bed, the bed where you lie on. Bed is called aqua. Bed is called aqua. Bed is called aqua. That is bed, aqua. Chair. Chair Chair is called oche. Chair is called oche. Oche. That is chair. Oche. Chair is called oche. Table. Table is called ndokwasi. Table is called ndokwasi. That is table. Ndokwasi. Table is called ndokwasi. Ndokwasi. That is table. Ndokwasi. Banana. Banana is called unere. Banana is called unere. Unere. That is banana. Unere. Banana is called unere. That is banana. Unere. Apple is called apple. Apple is called apple. Cookies, biscuit. Cookies, biscuit is called achịcha ọkpọọ. Achịcha ọkpọọ. That is cookies, biscuit is called achịcha ọkpọọ. Achịcha ọkpọọ. That is cookies, biscuit. Cookies, biscuit. Achịcha ọkpọọ. Cookies, biscuit is called achịcha ọkpọọ. That is cookies, biscuits. Balloon. Balloon is called bolombolo. Balloon is called bolombolo. Balloon is called bolombolo. That is balloon. Bolombolo. That is balloon. Bolombolo. Book. Book is called akwụkwọ. Book is called akwụkwọ. Book. Akwụkwọ. Book is called akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ. That is book. Akwụkwọ. Bread. Bread is called achịcha. Bread is called achịcha. That is bread. Achịcha. Bread is called achịcha. Achịcha. That is bread. Achịcha. Shoe. Shoe is called akpụụkwụ. Shoe is called akpụụkwụ. Akpụụkwụ. That is shoe. Akpụụkwụ. Akpụụkwụ is called shoe. Akpụụkwụ. Hat. Hat. Hat is called okpu. Hat is like your cap. Your cap is called okpu. Hat is called okpu. Hat and cap, I think, is the same thing. All is called okpu. Either the cap or the hat is called okpu. Is called okpu. Hat is called okpu. Bed is called nnụnụ. Bed is called nnụnụ. Bed is called nnụnụ. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.